Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson. We're going to continue talking about linking words, and this time linking words expressing time and sequence. So again, there are many ways to show relationships in time. We have subordinators like after, before, when, while, since, until, as soon as, once, and during. Sequencing words, first, second, third, to begin with, finally, lastly, ultimately, and transitions or linking adverbs. After a while, afterwards, at first, at that time, at last, earlier, eventually, formerly, initially, lately, later, in the meantime, meanwhile, next, in the past, presently, previously, so far, soon, shortly, subsequently, now, simultaneously, and then. So the subordinators after and before are followed by clauses containing a subject and verb or a gerund. So after I arrive, I will call you, or you shouldn't eat too much before you exercise. So those were examples of after with a subject, after or before with a subject, a clause with a subject and verb. So I will call, or sorry, after I arrive. So I is the subject, arrive, and before with you is the subject and exercise. Now, after or before plus a gerund, after arriving, I will call you. So here we've got after, the gerund arriving, and then the rest of the sentence. And you shouldn't eat too much before exercising. So here, exercising is a gerund. So change the sentence to use a clause with a subject and a verb. Go ahead and try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So don't forget to close the window before you leave. Don't drive after you take medicine. And he left the house after he ate breakfast. Now, these we're going to change to use a gerund. She ate a banana before running in the race. He apologized after lying to me. And we confirmed the reservation before leaving. We use when to describe one action that immediately follows another. I will call you when I arrive. We'll order when Sally gets here. We can leave when you finish your report. What do you usually do when you arrive home from work? And what do you do first when you wake up in the morning? Now we'll talk about using time conjunctions in the future. We generally use the present simple tense after when, before, and after if we are talking about the future. After we finish dinner, we will eat dessert. And here we have the present simple. I will wash my hands before I eat. Again, present simple here, I eat. And she will be tired when she arrives. Again, present simple. So you would not say she will be tired when she will arrive. All right, so now complete the sentences containing future time clauses. And again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So before you leave, don't forget to shut the windows. I will call you when I arrive in Moscow. Please don't touch anything before the police arrive. We will not start dinner until Karen arrives. and I want to see you before you depart. Well, this time we're going to practice before, after, and when, and make one sentence from the two sentences. It's going to start raining. Let's leave before that. Let's leave before it starts raining. I'm going shopping. I'll come home. I'll come home after I go shopping. You'll be in New York next month. You should come and see me then. You should come and see me when you are in New York. I have football training now. I'll eat after that. I will eat after I have football training. Now we can use once and as soon as when something happens immediately after something else. We'll make our decision, then we'll let you know. We will let you know as soon as we make our decision. I'll find some place to live, then I'll give you my address. I will give you my address once I find a place to live. It is about to rain, then I'll stop gardening. I say I will stop. Oops. Stop gardening as soon as it rains. So answer the questions using once, as soon as, before, after, and when. And please, in order to generate some conversation, you can answer these questions in the comments. Now, since is used in sentences where the speaker wants to talk about something that started in the past and continues into the present. Since is used to specify the starting point. The present perfect simple or present perfect continuous tense is used in sentences with sense. So I have been teaching since 2010. We have been here since 10 a.m. and they've known each other since 1985. So, and now practice sense again. You can use your own words, and if you would like to share these in the comments, you can go ahead and do that. During is a preposition used before a noun to say when something happens. It's during plus a noun. He falls asleep during class. They talked during the film. I hope to see you during summer. So be careful. We do not use during before a verb. He slept during he was working. So that would be incorrect. You would have to say he slept during work. While is used to talk about two things that are happening at the same time. While is used with a subject and a verb. So the structure, while plus subject plus verb. I did my homework while you were sleeping. She watched TV while she prepared dinner. When the subject of both clauses is the same, the subject pronoun is not required. So she watched TV while preparing dinner because the she is understood. Again, be careful, we do not use while before a noun. Now complete each sentence with during or while. He took notes during the meeting. She likes to exercise during the day. While you were watching TV, I cleaned the house. We stayed inside during the storm. The package was delivered while I was at work. She screamed while watching the horror film, and we were bored during the presentation. We use meanwhile at the beginning of a sentence with the same meaning as while. Meanwhile is most common with a past tense. She was cooking dinner. Meanwhile, I set the table. And so you can make some sentences of your own using these starters and the word meanwhile. And again, to generate some conversation, please share those in the comments. In the meantime is used to talk about the time between one event, process, or period and another. In the meantime can be used at the beginning or the end of the sentence and is more common in the present and future tense. I have to wait at the doctor's office. In the meantime, I'll read a magazine, or I'll read a magazine in the meantime. And for some practice, again, you can write some of your own sentences or use your own words in these sentences. Again, if you'd like some feedback or just to generate some conversation, feel free to write your sentences in the comments. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share. Be sure and leave those comments. It really helps the channel. And I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.